In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up e-commerce purchases in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll have the standard e-commerce purchases report visible and ready to use so you can track revenue, items sold, and key purchase metrics in one place. Start by opening a browser and heading to analytics.google.com. Sign in and make sure you're in the correct Google Analytics 4 property for your website or app. If you manage multiple properties, double-check the property selector at the top of the interface. For this setup, you'll need at least editor permissions to publish reports to the navigation. Once you're in the right property, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is the home for all of your reporting workspaces in GA4. If you don't immediately see e-commerce reports, don't worry. Some collections aren't published by default and need to be added to the navigation. Next, scroll to the bottom of the Reports workspace and click Library. The library is where you manage which collections and individual reports appear in the left-hand menu. Think of it like a control room for organizing your reporting experience. In the library, find the Lifecycle collection. On that collection, click the three dots to open the Options menu. This menu lets you manage the collection's visibility. Choose Publish. Publishing the Lifecycle collection surfaces its sections, including monetization, in your left-hand navigation so you can access them directly from reports. With the collection published, look back to the left-hand menu and click Monetization. This section brings together revenue-focused reports, making it easy to analyze performance without digging through custom explorations. Inside Monetization, click E-commerce Purchases. This report shows revenue, purchases, and item-level performance using the standard GA4 e-commerce events your site or app sends, like Purchase and View Item. You'll see top-line metrics at the top and detailed tables below, often broken down by dimensions such as item name or item category. If your tagging is already in place, data should begin populating in near real time, though some metrics may take a short while to finalize. If the report looks empty at first, check your date range in the top right corner and give recent activity a little time to process. It also helps to confirm that your e-commerce implementation is sending the required events and parameters from your platform or tag manager. Within the report, you'll notice options to refine what you see, such as changing the primary dimension, applying comparisons, or drilling into specific items for deeper insights. Use these to align the view with your business questions. That's it. You've enabled access to the e-commerce purchases report and can now monitor sales performance directly in GA4.